Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
You're looking at Lesson 4, Understanding Divisions. Now, if you click on this button here, we are going to provide you with directions and answers. Let's look at the first group here. Just like problems 1, or lessons 1, 2, and 3, this is similar because we're going to talk about a total amount, the number of groups, and the amount in each group. And then below it, you'll notice what we have are some word problems dealing with the same concept. So when you're dealing with division, you have to look at a total, and you want to look at the number of groups and the amount in each group for everything that you do. Now we have several problems here that should be relatively easy for you to solve. But let's look again what we talked about before in dealing with total amount, number of groups, and the amount in each group. In reference to the last problem, I would like to go over it one more time just to make sure you grasp and understand or fully understand what we're talking about. You'll notice we're going to divide this into groups of 5, and we have 15 items. So 15, the number of items in each group are 5, and the number of groups are 3. So we had you circle 1, 2, 3. Okay? So if you recall doing that, let's look at the problem that you're working on today. Now in this problem, you'll notice for problem number 1, we're going to show you what we're talking about so you know exactly what to do. The total amount is 10. The number of groups we're going to have are 2. So what's the amount going to be in each group? Well, the answer in this case is 5. Because if there's 2 groups and the total amount's 10, we have to have 5 in each group. Now you'll notice that we're missing a number here, so you have to figure out the number of groups, the number in each group, and we're also missing a total amount here. And if you look down at the bottom, you'll notice you have some word problems that we had already spoken about. Okay, if you would please pause the video, complete the rest of this lesson, and then continue playing the video, and we will provide you with the answer. If you would, please pause the video now. Thank you. Okay, let's pick up where we left off. If the total amount is 12, and we know there's going to be 6 in each group, how many groups? 2. 2 times 6 is 12. If the total amount is 25 and there's 5 groups, what is the number in each group? 5. 5 times 5 is 25. If the total amount is 18, and we know there's going to be 6 in each group, how many groups are there? Well, 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Now, we know that there's going to be 10 groups of 2 in each group. 2 times 10 is 20. And for this problem, there's 30, a total of 30, and there's 10 in each group. How many groups? 3. 3 times 10 is 30. Number 7, there's a total of 21, and there's 7 groups. So how many in each group? 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Number 8, if there's 49 total, and we know we have 7 in each group, how many groups are there? 7. 7 times 7 is 49. And number 9, if we know we have 6 groups and there's going to be 8 in each group, 6 times 8 is 48. And number 10, if there's 54 and the number of groups are 9, how many in each group? 6. 6 times 9 is 54. Let's slide down and look at the word problems. Number 11. John bought several packages of DVDs at the store. He ended up with 50 DVDs total. If each package had 10 DVDs in them, how many packages did John buy? Well, your answer here should have been 5, right? Because he has 50, so how many in each package? 5. Number 12. The pet store had 20 birds. The birds were placed in cages. There were 4 birds in each cage. So, how many cages did the pet store have? And your answer here should have been 5. Okay, number 13. The fast food restaurant can make 7 hamburgers in a minute. If they cooked 35 hamburgers, how long did it take them? Well, again, your answer here should have been 5. Let's slide down a little bit more here. Now, Penny uploaded 45 pictures from her trip to Hong Kong to Facebook. If she placed the pictures into 5 albums with the same number of photos in each album, how many photos were in each album? And your answer here should have been 9, right? Because 5 times 9 is 45. And number 15. The twin boys received a drone for their birthday. They were given 6 batteries to fly the drone. If they were able to keep the drone flying for 60 minutes, what was the length of time for each battery? And your answer here should have been 10, right? Because 6 times 10 is 60. Well, we hope your answers matched ours and you have a pretty solid understanding of division. And we'd like to thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.